how you can recover your Snapchat account without your email or your phone number. So before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step is just open up any web browser and search for Snapchat support. So after you search for Snapchat support, just go to the first link, and after you've done that, just scroll down. You'll have to just explore this page right here. You'll need to just tap in contact us after you find that option, and after you do so, you will see different options that they can help you with. So just select the second one, I can't access my account, and after you do so, you will just have to file a complaint. So here what you'll need to do is just select the one that you most relate with. So what you will now need to do is just tap on this my account is locked, or I think my account was compromised. So just select anyone, and after you do that, you will get an option where you can report them. So just tap on yes, and after you do that, what you can do here is just type in your username. After you type in your username, type in your email that is associated with your Snapchat, and after you do that, just type in your mobile number. You won't need to just use it for verification. After you do that, just type in description that you've forgotten your login credentials and you want to recover your Snapchat account and everything that you want help with, and just submit this. After you do that, Snapchat support will get back to you and you'll be able to recover your Snapchat account. So it's that simple, guys. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.